Hello, all my JAFRA friends, consultants, managers, district directors, and ambassadors. It's Carol Boyer coming to you from Mitchellville, Maryland. And I want to just give a shout out to my team for being so engaged with our weekly Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Zoom virtual take-a-looks. We basically do a take-a-look of the book, and I've been consistent with that, and I think that's important. Consistency is important. But I'm also doing Zooms every weeknight evening at 9 p.m. Eastern for anyone that wants to invite a guest to a Zoom book look. And we also do a little spotlight at the end of how they can do the 5 B's. They can buy, save a little money as a client. They can buy a subscription box. They can do box and save a little more money. They can book a party as a hostess and save more money. They can begin as a consultant and earn or save, or both, 30 to 50% on all their family's needs, from babies to seniors and even the men, on top skincare, bath and body products from babies to seniors, toiletries, and fantastic fragrances. Many of our eau de parfums are made by the top and oldest fragrance houses in Europe. Many people don't know that. But we do take a little time to share about beginning and building. At the end, we show the JAFRA opportunity video, which is so beautiful. And if anyone wants to stick around for another 15 minutes, we do a Show Me the Money spotlight and share how building with JAFRA is the best way to go. So reach out to me. My JAFRA team and all of our JAFRA members are welcome to come on our Zooms if you'd like, and invite your friends and your guests and your consultants. Bye, everyone. Happy recruiting and happy selling during this fantastic time of the year.